Egoma esia sanso na ejoso ampa bame adesrede fresh school for mpanyimfo ho ede aduro aban mu ede ensem ena wonom so esre ye kase ya no panyi bi so de atodwa senke be ya yenhwe na licenses a ye de mankofo to Galamsey no yentu ase ebusia ensem ni afoforo bi ye ka ho no de edika na de tie no ena ene anopem sonfo hene yire Mame ekwia yebowa esiama bro nya matrasi amede eba bedan mo na ansa na yemfa seda kese pa ema 21st clinic omone sciatica expert no wosisi achi entini yesa ho efa oto ase na atie si osiremu abesi wo nantiri ho no wode no se ya wo ya sa atwetwen wo se ya wo dai akan wato democrat anamon na gidie ya wonya ni nti bedru ho a kwa hosan ebeye wo dia na 15 branches na ye bie nti bra sem no ye de wo kira kwan ne betudwa na watimi eto anamon Sompa chede no so eguso aya ekoso nti no wada Roma bomoden a na efa wo ho ehyem yese ye pese ye ma enyanka enwisia ene woni biefo ekunafo enije ewo bronya bremu anasa afie wie ye mu nti no wada Roma emu anasa bibia wo bia no fabra anasa sika afemu a number no ye 0598 559802 Sansona OCP Ghana Limited that fertilizer papa enso yasene busia enyumekoya da Roma ena enne anopei wonom eboa ya makese no etimi abedan waboboa no afa yenhwenye brani adaje na ensem no sene esi etie no yemfa enan mu ye hwensem na se ede afri enwomasuye mu afi bia no bosumi dune de toso enum na wiase yesi ho sa wo sharp ni sia hodo ya na kyerɛkyerɛfo FM enkete sie ye wo wonom afa enetema ya wo edema enkwada sebe ya won so no won fapem ewo enwomasuem no anase dache abrabom no behwe no watimi atintim wonase ye di ama wonom no esefotase ye bibi edeboa wonom ne ede hye wonom enkuran ebo wonom abaso nte ya abaso bode adwumedie da edema akyerɛkyerɛfo se wose etimi horo wonom ewo ndwumedie mapaya wo ye deboa o mankyerɛkyerɛye ene ne nkankro enam sayo so Ghana so ye de ho jesa dai mu bi amma mpanyefo dodo na ena ekobo pie mu ewo KUST ho ena dwumedie ne pompon so mem hasenum nyina no eba ye ewo asante mantem hasenom na enwomasia so afo ye ro doctor say ye wodutwum wono kro ya eye bosomtwe abato mpese so mra hyebedwene bra okogina dwumedie na sena wo kasa ne nsam dodo na ena wode etudwa emma kyerɛkyerɛfo mo ene yo ebo wonom abaso ekyerɛse se obi bedin kan ewo abrabom obi behu nyansa ewo ne mfitiase a obi benya nyamesuro eni suro mapa ne obuo ede amampanyimfo adodo na no eya na ne fapem no ejina kyerɛkyerɛfo so eno nti no oma wonom mo ne yo na mom ade ba akoya wo pese wo ka ede kyerɛ enkwada ye wo omaiga na mu hasen mu nyina no ene se na dankwa akufo ado na MPP aban won kra de ehwehwe nyina no ene se secondary education no obehwesa akwada bia betimi de ne ho ahyemu na watimi anya sa ahyase entete ye wo homasuem no wase wonya duru okra na wanto so bie mu a wadwemu abie ne ma bekoye de ama hu sa abrabo no me de fa ne benkuma na se ne fa ebetimi afaye de ama minti no ensem dodo na ena yewura ose ya wadutwum wode kan ye no ho
president Nana Advocacy. Anything that will require to bring about transformation in education has provided. History will forever remember him. History will forever remember a man who said every child should be given the opportunity for secondary education. In a country where 70% of our students are in boarding schools, he said, I will commit to the provision of education and secondary education for all, irrespective of where they were born, so that we can create a more better country where there will be no Ghana for the poor and Ghana for the rich, and all of us will sit in the classroom, safe classroom, and study. Now all this will not happen, will not be adequately implemented and successfully implemented without the teacher. I call the teacher the bridge from nowhere to somewhere, the bridge from nowhere to somewhere. My life journey wouldn't have come to this without a teacher. My first day I walked into the classroom of Miss Karawon, who welcomed me to a new world. Both parents, my parents, were not educated. Never learned the alphabet at home, never began to read at home. I went to the school to be introduced to the modern world by Miss Karawon. Move on from class 1 to class 2, Mr. Hinkan. I remember all my teachers. Class 3 was Mr. Lapagis, who recently passed away. Went to see him and went to see my class 1 teacher before both of them passed away.
Ebusia, ye royal or say educhum and womesia so for nature say class 1 teacher, class 3 teacher, ya watch na de nyina wo boss one teacher dua ya wo no so so e go so MPP chairman no wo no so ne me class 4 class 5 teacher enti ma me nchia no na me nano ase ma churchfo nyina so me da wo no mu ase ebusia ne de no achi no e na mantami so for santimantam so for your Simon no say mensa wono so ewre mu ewo dwumedie na surface na dwumedie no eye mpanyimfo ene adehye nyina dia wokogina eye paso no ensem sei na yewura no so edtoye emaye
ba asante mantemo a project akodoa aban aye na na do dankwa akufuado oni na bidiechi excellence Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia aye 1,164 out of the 1,164 we at years a few 957 so far projects are was something and almost all the government in the being why you benefit system you benefit you benefit we no crack in China na say ya umbe launching one student one tablet so okukwa number launching and almost all of them we benefit.
Ebusia ye ranimonyo for Simon or Semensa Santimantam so for ena yeko ekotie no yeda so agina womesua ene ho ensensemo na ye ebo remu asantimantam ya na yegina ejoso kroponi mo ene yakwa akowra na ejoso ampaba me MJHS ye no se wo kroponi mo no eyade a won finsha pol eduosia wa hye ho efa ama enam so enema dodo na ena ekoso ewo dwumedie ni mo na mpanyefo ahodo nso ene bopie mu ewo ho ya wonom de anodisem ekotrodwa enumo ene sukuu panyi ya woda sukuu ya no owraire Alice kasa no ensam dodo na no de trodwa kyerese sukuu na ye bi ede aboa na wo hwebra wonom ebaaye ebebo aze ewo ejuso ampaba me a ene aninti ni atwetwe owrofo dodo na no ena afa wonsama enne wonya gina bia papa bi egina ewa abrabom a woboa mo manpuntuo nso no etimi afa ne ntampa ede efra eno nam so ekyerese wo hwe niam ahodo ye hia won mo skumu ho a edoso na so de eda komapono so ya wo hwe ni mu senka ni mu ani mu ya ban ne beso wansene anasa ankrankra ne nwumako bi beboa wono mu a ekebe ye omani so ede abroso no ene laboratory lab ahodo anasa computer lab aya wo mo so ehwehwe wo kyerese ebasa no a ebetimi aboa ama enne abefo kwan ye fa so ema enwomesua epagya konanim no enka wonom ne omunyina da akogina scale cross so
here was school party 2 years computer lab because they say who say we are seeing na globalization all my who say at the trainer at the training as a say young war be say computers I bet nya boy and it na network eduma ni ye it's a computer lab ya dia ehia ye and na ye kan ye ben hia niam say computers ye pese ye renovate ye dan a ewa ha it's yes philanthropist NGO obi biara owo education ewa na komamu ye be stress sa nipa no betinya ba abegigi ye efuwe mu and ye sa wo ha ye kan ejanai bia ya wabako pe ewo school mu ha ema JHS ene primary no te be sre so bi wo betimi aboa ya besi baako e de ama e se de be ma pressure ne so ate akwa ya be da onipa krase the sound lack of furniture ewo school mu ha esan se furniture aye shortage wo school mu ha akwala timi ba for admission enkonye ni wo e be ji sa akwala no e se yen kan cha wo fo so nkope bi nto sa
Ebusia eyara hosem na mame Alice di tuja yesrese mo a mobetimi ye mo afemu de aboa no monkoso wasene se be ya bibia so betimi akoso ewo enwomasiemu ewo adwoso ampaba me MGHS wo de ama wo mu enyina da na mame ensem no echi no na mechanic engineer ya wasa ya chechefo ewo eye omeyimom yewra Isaac entry bosia kon wono so na ekwaye kasama force no kon de ma dwumedie no wodansem se yedi de kireye
fiani ewa ha mi se o plan se Omodia said, very serious. She had here, school near what you want to say, Oceani. The Soviet school here, not idea that she, I open the idea that someone. So all of our people are here. I just what you want, that's how you know. I don't know, I never hear. And I want to know, yes, sir, not a very young Pamacho said. I hire and Papa met MAJs. Your mother, you want a baby. All your shows are what am I share? What if you be anyone wants to have a baby now? If you find out what I think and it will be a young it's been at your shop for unknown. Now, the same armor, I hope what I now said. More money. Not in the car with the couple of guy and not for any moment. Young me up to the back. That ain't free. Now you move so in you.
Ebusia yera Isaac entry bosia ko ne de no achi no eno ne krakra mu na kwamo hene ya wono wa adwoso ampa ba me nana owusu acha abebrese ya obegina mu ede ma ne wura no enso SCB de kire se omeyi yenko yenim nyina no egina ade we se so
discipline e ya dia gala ha aboye na to be ya ne ya bi se enkola no ko no se ye discipline mo na Obibia onyamia bawo na wata so nsudo awo se oye discipline Ghana discipline boye ti amaye ye kan ko no enkoyi discipline essential you dey bia emra awo ho ti se wo ho e ti se wo de e ti se ne mani ye duma eno e ti se discipline e ye duma na ma ye ti bu ye se ta pamra e ti se e ye duma
Ebusia yeto ansam na so ede amamo na oshiwboko ya yefra wonom se concerned citizens against Galamsey wonom ete wo hugumonte so ne nyina da ene se nansen ya no eya ade democracy hobofo ekote wo hugu ye ewo monte so kire se woni nheda enje ne nyina no eye se ye mpotam yensase ahodo ne nepa oba de ede chicha amama wa bra na ono so ebo ewiase no eya de o my Ghana de odi che ye nyina no Galamsey nti ya hwe ye nsase ne ne pa nyina mene ye nso ahodo kura no eni nyina asese eno enenam so dodo na akodi aprosifo akache ena wonua no ma ye from concerned citizens against Galamsey wono mo kyerese nkebe ya aban no wonhwe na aprosifo no wonjai sa wonua no a womo ekoka ne pa ensame de kyerempanyifo a wose won de mi fi tenduku ena wono mo bonti omuntie wo bia no wose so be ye odwanfuna so omuntie a won kofo de ensem fatase wochi wonom ekogu dabon proachi eno nam so nte no wonom so de dansa protest te wo hugu monte so na yenim se bia ye nuanom kwa na so no ye kasai se celebrities ahodo nyina de wo ho eka ho ene afia odo John Domero ye nua be manafe Joe Jaskin ene enkofo nka ye nyina da eka ho bia yen kwankwohwe sede ensem a ekoso ewo protest na se ene kwan ya wo fa so a wo kasaye.
I'm here because I'm joining the protesters to protest. Day 1, day 2, I was doing more of online advocacy, but day 3 today, I said let me just spend some time here with the protesters. And I think we are here not because of NDC. I mean, even though I'm the parliamentary candidate for Ayawa's West Work on the ticket of I'm not here because of that. I'm here because we want cleaner water and with the Galamsey should be stopped, and that's why I'm here. I mean, by now he's had it, and you know, Zanado is giving that kind of I don't care vibe. He's giving that kind of Ethiopia vibe, but I don't think that's the kind of legacy he wants to leave. I mean, he has less than 2 months left, and I don't think he wants to leave that kind of, if I may say, uncouth legacy, which is the Galamsey. He's taking advantage of it. I'm sure most of the people who are protesting today, I doubt the NDC, I doubt the MPP, I don't know their political affiliation. But what we are saying is that the government of the day should do something about the Galamsey, because we start importing water soon, which is bad. Of course, you've seen the pictures of polluted water bodies. You've seen mining in forest reserves.
Ebusia, NDC ni MPP asem efise yenyine bedi adanse river Cobra river pra ene river bonsuni ade chesenso ne doso na ofa ba bia ade ani nyina asenti omohwe na omo akasanya se be kakra ne be kra nso ene de abo mayi mo de okasa ye yenua be ma dumero na yetie no na yenkoi Penny Pebia wano yo benfo would when it remo a year school of business and law Buckinghamshire New University no ewo UK one also extra dear wo ye hwehwemu for a bus yenhwe na yenye hwehwemu emfa neema ho odimu ntintima wono na etua no ewo university ho one also extra say one tin neema biase onti Ghana aban say itumi krata na license awodema one ma wo etu efoma gudie ya eba won concession no watwa bi di Anti-Galamsey fo na wonum ese ye neema ahudue eno no tumi krata no wanfa ma wonum a Ghana ye behia na asesen yenko na yentie Professor Fred Yamoa ne nsemo a wode ma ye.
The Ghanaians I grew knowing ought not to accept a situation where illegal mining is fueling disputes over lands and resources, causing tensions between different groups and institutions. Again, nice people do speak out when socioeconomic menace driven by greedy brigade in society causes a country to experience adverse economic impact. Finally, nice and highly religious people do not get immune to illegal mining that promotes child labor and exploitation and consequently deprives a segment of our children their right to education and exposes them to dangerous working conditions. Now, to the President of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, I understand that you are seeking extra time for discussions with the representatives of organized labor to reach an amicable agreement on their demands. But I ask, what would Ghana and your presidency lose if in the interim your Excellency decides to cause to be announced that, number one, no further concessions and licenses should be approved, and number two, initiate under a certificate of emergency the repeal of that calamitous LI 2462 that legally permits mining in forest reserves, as under your hand in November.
Ebusia Buckinghamshire New University here no ewo UK Professor of Business and Society and Research Lead no ya wo School of Law ya wo no Professor Fred Yamoa ena yete nenken enti ye nanka LI 2462 ya chese no so no chese nko wonye na wonna ne nieme ni sebe ya mra ne mo be ye den de ama my Ghana de hie bi no ma wonom so ekita to mikrata wonom ye efumagudie ho dwumadie ne beboa enka ebeyeye aban ne hwe na wonye bibi emfanfa ho na ye kwaye nim no na ye remo ewo president ya wono enetua Fertility Society of Ghana wonom and Dr. Rudolph Kamfum Adagiba wono so ne die mu panyi dia to dwane nyina no ya desrede ena wode ema aban ene ne mpanyimfo ni titru ene ensiachi ba ya eba pomde ho a efiri yeru akofo apenso boaye na wode efiti ase no mpanyimfo etua no sa daroma enka wono mo hwe awafo bia wono ma wade emfinhye pine bia wo ho akwatwede ama wonom ya da ne da wosi ayasabia no woje treatment ne ade sebe ya eba ne bi betimi abanana se nkwara ne bi ebetimi abeka wonsa no o kire se ya sika wotua no ano no ne board papa yenti nkebe ya health insurance no abanhwe na won consider sebe ya sankofukuo we nima na sa wafo bia wonom hwehwe ma ya wokwa ya sabia dodo na nso no obetimi aboa ede wonom ahyemu bie
oba wa otunye fibroid na mana wantimi nyinsan oba wa ne tubes betima block to block out to be this or IVF. The men to have problems. The other have sperm or low sperm count. All these things are disease conditions. So, for instance, if government, let's say, malaria, insurance cover, or pneumonia insurance cover, why can't they do the same for this for infertility couples? This year, Oko Hospital now who infertility problem, never be aware, just out here, which is not fair. So, in terms of fairness, justice, and equity, we must advocate that government, takes on board these things that currently.
Ebusia Fertility Society of Ghana one mafia no shemudie ya na wodie no ena wone eyen centre for bonkomo wa bra fi we say die no na ehhehye so e wa santimantem kropom na yewura Dr. Randolph ne die no achi no ena Deputy Health Minister Odmonyan for Adelaide ya ejewa in team wono so efa kasemo e de nsem say emaye
hwemu a enyanu ne bia enche bedu ho na nenti America sa no se wohwa amana no nyina no infertility no ya na aban no health sector no omonye responsible ye private sector enti na aban no enye responsible wo sa niema no by emreko yi ye hwe se bia ye de parliament ni approve a na che se day in and day out na niema sesa
Ebusia yankwa yenim na ansa ne berem wo wanchini ye kan for 21st clinic sciatica expert de ama so yade bia no fakọ na wontimi enhwema ne mom de waje ho abasobode ya eche wotwe ho nwene eye sciatica yade no de ha wo bia fa wo nan ho no anase bia wo nipadua ho no 15 branches Kumasi ehwe overseas Safari radio nche ho ne ye wo fa number ne frɛ wo nom laboratory test ahodo koso massage treatment so ye bi e wo 0540 311 0540311311 Sompa chede yese wo de ene de wo hen afi we se ma okunani anase wisia bia janka bia nenye emo na wo anwa na wo tentimantes anasa de bia ye de che ya ye de gu ho free sabre kwapim bronya ensaye no wada roma ye je e wo Sompa Swame Shuffling Station ho anase nom hotel ho ene ye ben no wo de wani kire mo so e wo sunyane a night market wo won sabeka yen kranza Sompa ye wo GCB abrosane mu ya na wo de wani acho na de waye ye de no akọ anasa pese wo ye ne sika afemu aketua bi ensa 0598 559802 0598 559802 OCP Ghana Limited and fertilizer papa na be German swada Roma GB na wonfudi ahodo no fa bi petepete so na no baye no entimi enso dodo na enfama patra na ye na se nuaba na ye de ahibia kwagro chemical shop bi em de obowura ho a wo se ope OCP fertilizer ne bi ma won cheche mu de sefata nuaba na sa no baye no de be ma wo beti na bribra so 0555 909437 0555 909437 Ebusia yenkwai na yentoa ensem no so emfa emam ne ewremu ewo wanchi na nanoma tankonwa bedwa no ewo wonom so ede nsem bia todwetwe se watene mframema ne na mframema se omosi ewo mahema afoforo kora ewo ho wei na wonom ekre se enye sa na enema etie na nadamu akosa na edu se poku wono na de otoso nan ewo mpotem ho no na wo kire se enya ade a wonom aye bibisa wono ene achiamehene ya wo mpotem ho yenko ne yenkotie na nadamu a ne nsem nchechiremu sede woside ma ye fai
obi te omasi mahema ewo wonjina me pese wenjiman wenji traditional country pese obia te no prewu wenji ye wo mahema obo bia ye wo mahema no mahema ti afia isi ni na na mahima samajedia awo tosonyesa o enti adia omuye no se omusi omufie hima adia odia ni omuni asem
Ebusia de okasa na nadamwa kwasan wono ene wanchi chiame hine ya wono ewo ho enu achi no ena chiame hima ya wono so wo wanchi hima wono so nakache na nanso de to dwa kyerɛ sɛ enema na ɛkɔso no eni enyan yentie nanum tuo ya wotoye
ya woto so ne chairman ana wa chiman ma toa esi hene e di amana na anya ma kontabreku se yesi man hima e na anya ma kontabreku eso sa man hima obi atimi si man hima ana anya ma kontabreku enti na me ka sase na man hima toa chairman na kwa toa na wa chiman hima oho wasi me hene enti nyama bi aniwa oti eba transuja ontimahi
ebusia na kyerɛ ensɛm no enyina eno no yɛnhwɛ na agokansie mu nsɛm kakra ya yɛnsaka no yɛmfa entoa so tew na yɛnsɔre enkonwa so na yɛkɔ Ghana Premier League ni mo match week 5 ɛna yɛdru so na enurada yɛmfiri na no fiada no krampo match ni bi ehyehyɛ so House of Folk never said out till the bones are rotten etna fie to nsa de frɛ Adriana Stars wonom eba ye no ekowie sɛ obi antimi amfa atena ama no ankasa na kyerɛ de epie mo na no efiada no eno no na enurada enso no mediema enso tena fie to nsa de frɛ House of Lions ema wonom so free pando ba ye no ekowie sɛ obi anso ama atena ankasa 0-0 ena ekowie ewo ho yenhwe enne sene matches no ebesi akọ Krobia refra sante kotoko metemo kuma pima beba no miensa ken games yehyehyɛ so no mo so betina fie ema Accra Lions for na ba any one dia boy ni wo Hokara United enso any Samatters for de no ebeba so Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium iso atema betina fie wona na Kromansa Park any Legon Cities de no enso etimi abaso Golden Stars bibiani park ho ena obetwen Bechem United ama wonom de won de no aboani Young Apostles ebeto abrekum Chelsea ewo Golden City Park ho na wonom de no so etimi abaso Dreams FC Tuba AstroTurf ho ena won Nations FC de no so no ebetimi atodwa Vision FC ni AJ Krakuya wotoso mienu Sports Complex ho ena wonom so ni Holy Stars for no ebehyehyɛ eso wo abusia ahase nom ena ebrebe ma yakwan ama enne akwa yakwasia dan anopa no nsia brem kase no yede esie na commentary no ebeba so nti no eya na wanya brani adaje 3 p.m. na wonso watimi etie bi wa bra kan sie ma konfo no wono so betina se de ko twiko breman no wonom ede beba abetoa wo midin do hene ire ma me ekua yeboa esia mabronya yero asante yeboa Benedict ene semufo panyin ni screw ye wo Sompa